Hey everyone. I'm getting a new sewing room and crafty studio, and I need some advice. I've moved in, well, my big heaping mess of a cart and fabric, and I have a table set up here with my machine, and I set up a little pressing station over here with a mat that I did in a previous video. If you want to know how to make this mat, um, I do have a YouTube tutorial on what I did. It is amazing and I love it. Anyways, I have a lot of open bare space in here and I want some suggestions, some ideas. What can I put in here? And please excuse the no baseboards yet. We haven't put them on yet, but what should I put on these walls? What other storage solutions? Another desk, a cutting station. I need some suggestions for what I can put in this room. So I don't have much in here. This table's probably gonna go. I just had it to put my Cricut on for now, but I would like to come up with a system for that. Anyways, tell me what you think. Apologize for the nighttime lighting, but I have this whole empty room with nothing in it but my sewing table, and I would love to know how you would organize this and what you would add to this room to make it a really awesome sewing space. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'd love if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you.